What if I told you that you can access Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude Opus 4, VO3, GPT-5, and virtually every premium AI tool on the planet completely free and with absolutely no usage limits? No credit card, no trial period, no hidden catch, just pure, unlimited access to the most powerful artificial intelligence ever built. Yes, it is legal. Stick around because in the next few minutes, your entire approach to using AI is about to change forever. Before we dive in, I want to make something crystal clear. This is not some sketchy workaround or terms of service violation waiting to get you banned. This is a legitimate platform that the AI industry itself relies on, and the reason it works the way it does will actually surprise you. So let us get into it. The platform is called LM Arena. Go ahead and open your browser right now and type that in. Click the very first link that shows up in your search results. When you land on the home page, you are going to feel like you just found a secret door into the back end of the entire AI industry. LM Arena is essentially a massive AI testing ground, a battleground where every single major model in the world competes against each other. And here is the genius part. The entire system runs on user votes. When you use the platform and vote on which AI gives you a better result, you are literally helping them build their public performance leaderboard. That is how they fund the free access. Your vote is your payment. Pretty brilliant, right? Now let me walk you through exactly what this platform can do, because it is a lot more powerful than most people realize. The platform has 3 core features. You have the battle mode, the side-by-side comparison mode, and direct chat. Let us start with direct chat, because this is where most people are going to spend their time. When you tap into the model selector, prepare yourself. Every significant AI model with their full premium capabilities is sitting right there, waiting for you. GPT-5, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude Opus 4, Gemini Flash. The list goes on, and it reads like the who's who of the AI world. These are not light versions or stripped-down alternatives. These are the exact same models that people are paying $20, $100, or even $200 per month to access. Let me give you a real example of what this looks like in practice. I selected GPT-5 and gave it a coding task. I asked it to build me a fully functional to-do list application where I could add and manage daily tasks. Within moments, it generated the complete code from scratch. I took that code, dropped it into an online compiler, and the app was live and working perfectly. I could add tasks, check them off, delete them, everything. Zero coding experience required. $0 spent. Full GPT-5 quality output because it literally is GPT-5. Now, here is something important to remember when you are using direct chat. The platform does not save your conversation history. Every time you open a new chat session, the previous one disappears, so make sure you copy and save anything valuable before switching tasks. And here is a smart workflow tip. If you want to continue working on a project while also starting something new, just open a fresh tab and load LM Arena again. You can run multiple sessions simultaneously this way, keeping all your previous work intact while moving forward on new tasks. A lot of people get tripped up by this, so keep it in mind. Now, let us talk about image generation because this is where things get really interesting. When you switch over to the image generation section, you are greeted with another jaw-dropping lineup of tools. Nano Banana is there, Flux is there, and Seedream, which right now is one of the hottest trending image AI tools in the world and a direct competitor to Nano Banana, is also fully accessible. I ran both Nano Banana and Seedream head-to-head in side-by-side mode, giving them the exact same prompt and letting them both generate. The comparison was fascinating. Looking closely at both outputs, Nano Banana produced an image that felt incredibly natural and authentic. The Seedream result, while impressive, had some elements that looked slightly artificial on close inspection. And this is exactly how the voting system works. You pick the better result, your vote gets logged, and that data feeds the public leaderboard rankings. But image generation on LM Arena goes beyond just creating new images. You can also edit existing photos right on the platform for free. I tested this by uploading a photo of a cat and prompting it to add a kitten into the scene. The result was seamless, natural, and completely convincing. I also tested background replacement on another image, and again, the quality was there. No degradation, no watermarks, no restrictions. Okay, now we have arrived at the feature that most of you have been waiting for. free video generation. And not just any video generation. We are talking about access to Veo 3, which is currently one of the most talked about video AI models on the entire internet. Here is how you access it. On the LM Arena platform, you will see an option that says Try on Discord. Click that, accept the server invite, and you are in. Once inside the LM Arena Discord server, you will find multiple Video Arena channels. Pick any one of them. To generate a video from text, you simply type a / and the video command option will appear. Enter your prompt and let it run. Fair warning, this takes a bit longer than some other tools you might be used to. But the wait is absolutely worth it. When your video finishes generating, the platform presents you with 2 results side by side, each created by a different model running behind the scenes. You do not know which model made which video right away. You have to vote on your preferred result a couple of times before it reveals the source. In my testing, the second video clearly had better camera movement, fluid motion, and even synchronized audio, which is a signature of Veo 3. The quality difference was obvious. For image-to-video animation, the process is just as smooth. You type /, select image to video, drag and drop your image file right into the interface, add a motion prompt describing what you want to happen, and the platform generates 2 animated video versions for you to compare and vote on. This means you can take any still image, a character you created, a scene you designed, and bring it to life with full video motion. For storytelling, content creation, and social media, this is genuinely game-changing. There is one more feature on LM Arena that I want to highlight before we wrap up. Live web search. You can run real-time search queries directly through the platform, and instead of getting a list of links to dig through, you get a direct, synthesized answer pulled from current sources. It even shows you exactly where it gathered the information from. Think of it as having a research assistant who reads everything and gives you just the answer right now, in real time. So let us zoom out for a second and appreciate what we are actually looking at here. LM Arena gives you free, unlimited access to the most powerful code generation AI, the most advanced image creation tools, state-of-the-art video generation, including Veo 3, image editing and background replacement, real-time web search, all of it completely free, completely legal, and available right now. The barrier that used to separate people with premium AI subscriptions from everyone else has essentially been demolished. The technology that was locked behind expensive paywalls is now accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a browser. The only thing standing between you and extraordinary AI-powered results is whether or not you actually use it. Here is what I want you to do right now. Go to LM Arena, explore the models, run a test, and then come back down to the comments and tell me what the first real project you are going to build with this is. A short film? A complete app? A series of images for a new brand? If this video opened your eyes to what is actually possible with free AI right now, subscribe so you do not miss the next hidden gem I uncover. There is a lot more where this came from, and I am just getting started. Thanks for watching.